Cieza, Galería Susan Onazu, Silvia Reyes Gelfer, Mariana Paola González Ormeño.
You shot it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away, you shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me.
A ver todos.
Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. So sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken Travie, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. This is the last girl that played me, left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hand. Just keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune, and know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Come on.
Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Let's go! If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make.
Mr. Cachimbo 2013. Y vamos a agradecer a cada uno de ustedes por su presencia el día de hoy para este magno evento, eligiendo a Miss Universidad 2013. También se les entrega de sus respectivas flores un ramo. Y Mr. Cachimbo 2013.
That you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best of you too. Don't forget me.
Carla Anaí Arias Luna, de Ingeniería Civil. Que se venga para este lado, por favor, adelante.
Por eso eres mi tesoro, valgo mucho junto a ti. El pasado y lo que diga la gente.
Del segundo lugar, y me refiero a la señorita, con 523 puntos. Y yo quiero que le ofrezca un fuerte aplauso a Catherine Susan Otazú Díaz, segundo lugar. Fuerte aplauso para ella. Voy a invitar a la doctora Beatriz Reimer. Son 4 finalistas que quedan. Y vamos a mencionar Roxana Stephanie Cabero, de Ingeniería Eléctrica, con 608 puntos. Fuerte aplauso. Vamos a invitar al rector de nuestra universidad, el ingeniero Iván Pino Tellería, y a nuestra ex Miss Azuleika, por favor, venga. Víctor García, Electricidad Mecánica, Lady Velázquez y personal administrativo. Mariate 2013, Roxana Espinosa Gamero, muy gentil al rector, Azuleika, gracias. De verdad queremos agradecer muy gentilmente